Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So our target is to find the product of a binomial and a trinomial.
Grass, live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams. Been here with your team, but they really what it seems.
Alright, we have this given. The quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x squared minus xy plus y squared. Look at our given. How do we find x squared? We just square x. Then after that, we multiply the two. We change the sign. This will become negative xy. Then y times y, this will become y squared. If we have this number, we just multiply the first term by the first term and the last term by the last term. That is x cubed plus y cubed. If we have x minus y, then x times x, that is x squared. Multiply the two, but do not forget to change the sign. Then negative y times negative y is y squared. Then multiply the first term by the first term, that is x cubed. And we multiply the last term by the last term, that is y cubed. Observe that the trinomial factor has the following term. The first term is the square of the first term of the binomial. The last term is the square of the last term of the binomial. And the middle term is the opposite of the product of the first and the last term of the binomial. So let's say we have this one. So using distributive property, this is x to be multiplied by x squared plus 3x plus 9 and negative 3 to be multiplied by x squared plus 3x plus 9. So x times x squared is x cubed. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times 9 is 9x. Negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times 3x is negative 9x. And negative 3 times 9 is negative 27. 3x squared is positive. Negative 3x squared is negative. This is 0. 9x is positive. Negative 9x negative. So we have this one is 0. So what is our answer? X cubed minus 27. Or we just multiply the first term by the first term and the last term by the last term if the trinomial is taken from the square of the first term, multiply the first and the second, change the sign, and square the second. This is only possible if we have that method. We have the next number. We have x minus 5. How do we arrive at the trinomial? X times x squared. Multiply the 2, change the sign. Square, negative 5 times 5 is 25. If this is our given, we just multiply the first term by the first term, the last term by the last term, or cube the first term minus cube the last term. X times x squared times is x cubed. Then negative 5 times 25 is negative 125, or just cube the last term. How about if we have positive? This will become negative. This is x times x is x squared. Positive x times positive 5 times x is positive 5x. Change the sign. 5 times 5 is 25. So just cube the first term plus the cube of the second term. Or just multiply the first term by the first term and the last term by the last term. The answer is x cubed plus 125. So we have another number. So how do we arrive at the trinomial? X times x squared. Multiply the 2, change the sign. 3 times 3 is 9. Cube the first term, that is x cubed. Cube the second term, that is 27. So the answer is x cubed plus 27. All right, we have classed the following problems. I'm giving you 3 minutes to answer or 2 minutes only. This is easy. All right, we have the first number. The answer is 27x cubed plus 1. We are in the second number. 1 minus 216x cubed. We are in the third. 8x cubed minus y cubed. We are in the fourth. 8x cubed minus 343y cubed. And we are in the last, x cubed minus plus 8. Thank you for watching.